How to fix iPhone battery draining fast after iOS 27 update. First open settings. Here tap on battery. Scroll down. Here tap on power mode and enable adaptive power. Now go back. Scroll down. Tap on general. Scroll down. Here tap on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh and turn it off. Now go back. Here tap on accessibility. Now tap on motion and enable reduce motion. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on privacy and security. Here tap on location services and turn off location services. Now go back, restart your device. After this, wait 1 or 2 days, the problem will be fixed automatically.